Alright, this question asks us to find the area of a rectangle of length 4 cm and whose diagonal is 8 cm. Now, there's an instruction in the question. We are asked to leave our answer in solved form. Now, solving this particular question, now first of all, we have to draw a rectangle. Diagonal of the rectangle is the line that bisects the rectangle into two equal parts. It comes from one angle to the other angle. This is the diagonal. You understand now? So we are told that the length is 4 cm. So we don't know the breadth. It's not known. So if you don't forget that the opposite side of rectangles are equal. So here too is the breadth, and here is also 4 cm. First of all, don't forget that the area of the rectangle is the length times what? The length times breadth. The length is known, the breadth is not known. Now, to find the breadth, if you notice very well, this is the angle of the rectangle. Now, if you notice very well, we have a right angle triangle when the diagonal bisects the rectangle. So I'm going to bring that out. If I bring that out like this, I'm going to have something like this. This side is 4, the length 4 cm, the breadth is what I'm looking for, and here is 8 cm. Yes, 8 cm. Because they tell us that the diagonal is 8 cm long. So using Pythagoras theorem, so I can say that the Pythagoras theorem states that the hypotenuse square equals to the opposite square plus the what? Adjacent square. In a normal right angle triangle, that is not having any angle. Now, the hypotenuse is the longest side, which is 8 square, and the opposite is here, that's 4 square plus b square. Now from here, I have 64 is equals to 16 plus what? B square, making b subject of the formula. So b square is going to be 64 minus 16. So b square is going to give me what? 48. Now from there, I can say that therefore b is equals to the square root of what? 48. Now the question asks us to leave our answer in such form. So every of my workings must be in such form. So I can, in working, simplifying this on the such form, I can write this as 16 times 3, because 16 has a square root. So b is going to be what? The square root of 16. Okay, if I split it, I have square root of 16 times square root of what? Square root of 3. So b. Then going back to the formula, so therefore the area is going to be the length, which is 4 cm, times the breadth, which is 4 root 3 cm. So that will give me that's 16 root 3 cm square. That's the area of the rectangle.